Okay, so GMX ranks as the best performing crypto during devastating bear market. Did you know about that? I didn't know about that for maybe 2 or 3 days, that GMX is actually for real, and let's talk more about this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. GMX is definitely pulling down some numbers, but let's discuss more about this right now. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Woo! GMX token is only down minus 23% since reaching its all-time high on January 16th, making it the best performing cryptocurrency, excluding stablecoins, in this bear market. Now, GMX, what is GMX? You're probably wondering why, because I didn't know about this a couple of days ago. GMX is the utility and governance token of the Decentralized GMX spot and exchange. Now, as a DEX, trading on GMX is supported by multi-asset pools, earn liquidity provider fees from market making, swaps, leverage trading. So it's different ways of how you can actually earn. That's what I saw. You can earn in multiple ways: fees, market making, swaps, leverage trading. Now, the token launched back in September 2021 on the Arbitrum 1 blockchain. Now, this is on the Ethereum scaling solution, utilizing roll-up to speed up transaction times and cut fees. Now, fast forward to 2022 of January, GMX also launches on Avalanche. An Ethereum-capable blockchain that uses modified proof-of-stake mechanism that uses sample and repeated gossiping between validators for conscience. Just as a single snowflake, I like this quote here, just like a single snowflake can become a snowball, one single transaction can eventually turn into an avalanche. And this is what we got here. GMX also, look at this up here. GMX token holders can earn through various methods, including staking, which I love to stake. I know you like staking, not the stake that's on your stove. I'm talking about the earning staking, which can yield up to 30% on all generated fees, escrow GMX, that's the ES GMX, you know, the little emblem, and then those tokens, and then multiplier points. And this is the best performing cryptocurrency. Why is this not really being said out there much? Why nobody's really talking about this? Well, you're getting on this channel here. That's why you need to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. GMX is the best performing crypto during these devastating bear market. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.